Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the SD card storage on GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And to do this you'll need to set up the camera inside GoPro Hero GoPro cover app, and I shown you previously on how to do it. Now select control your camera, go for the range button. Inside you can scroll down to find the SD capacity at the bottom. Click on it and now you can see how many videos are recorded, how much video time is remaining, and how many photos on the card there are, and photos remaining. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.